In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to one of the tools in our brand new Tools section,
which is free to generate.
You can access the Tools section by clicking More Tools here on WeShop AI. As you can see, we offer a wide variety of AI tools.
And today we are focusing on Outfit Generator.
Outfit Generator is perfect for trying out new looks, planning outfits, testing styling ideas, or creating fashion content without reshoots. To get started, simply upload your photo here, choose how many results you'd like, and click Generate. In just a moment, you'll receive your results. Outfit Generator creates complete, styled outfits based on the uploaded image, while preserving the original face, body proportions, pose, and background. The character stays unchanged, only the outfit is redesigned. Give it a try on WeShop AI, and don't forget to explore our other tools as well.